Hi, this is the Pixel 7a and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So open first the settings, then scroll down to the system section. You'll see here developer options section if developer mode is activated. Just to hide them, we should click once on the switcher near use developer options, then we should restart our phone to change the settings. So click to restart and wait a couple of seconds, or like 1 minute, while your device will restarting. So now just let's unlock the device, open the settings, scroll down to the system, and now we could see that the developer options section is scanned successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.